What's up, YouTube? So today I'm coming at y'all with another fire video, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing y'all how my shield arms mags are reliable. And they are for my 43X. I have the regular 15 and I have the 20 round with, well, the 15 with the 5-round extension to make it 20. If you don't know, this is my 43X. It's one of my EDCs, and I keep the 15 round shield arms in these. They are my carry magazines, and if you know about the 43X, the stock round capacity is 10 rounds. You know, some people might say,
if you don't need more than 10 rounds, you don't need to be shooting. You need to go back to the range and do this and that. But
I've never heard anyone complain about having more rounds in their gun, if that makes sense. You know, if you have more rounds, you know, if a malfunction happens, anything can happen, and you would need that extra round. You know, it might be multiple people that you need to engage. It's all types of things, and just having more rounds is not have anything to do with your skill. It's just you want to be prepared for anything that might happen while you're carrying your gun, and that makes sense to me. But y'all are gonna see in the video, I'm gonna be running my magazines with one in the head with 15 in the mag, so stuffed, and just 14 in the mag and one in the head, you know, which is how I recommend carrying it. The springs are real tight, I'll say, especially when you get into that last round, when you're trying to get it in there. But y'all will see at the range, and without further ado, I'll see y'all there.
it's sort of low ready, but you're going to lay that light on that rail right there, just like that. Okay. Shooter ready.
Yes, sir.
Stand by.
Whoa, what?
That was 3.
I think it had trigger freeze.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay. Shooter ready.
Yes, sir.
Stand by.
It was 2 out.
Got 1 out. No, 2 out.
Yeah, 2 out.
2 out. That was fast. 179. But you got 2 out, so don't count. Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by.
I threw 3.
Well, you threw